most unforgettable moment para sa Filipino Olympian at pole vaulter na si EJ Obiena ang muling makasama at humarap sa kanyang Filipino fans sa isang meet and greet na siya mismo ang nanguna. Sa pagbabalik ni Filipino pole vaulter at world number 3 EJ Obiena sa Pilipinas, bit-bit nito ang kagustuhang mapalakas ang pole vault at matulungan ang mga batang atletang magkaroon ng mas maayos na lugar para mahasa ang talento sa naturang sport.
The reason why I want to do that is because I think that's where we lack. We lack facilities. We lack the opportunity for kids to take into the sport. And as much as we are great, there's probably a few more kids out there in the corner of the Philippines, much more talented, much more gifted. It's probably going to be a much better athlete than all four of us.
Yan ang kanyang naging pahayag sa harap ng mga taga-suporta sa ginanap na high-flying hangout meet and greet event na dinaluhan din ni na volleyball superstar Alyssa Valdez, two-time Southeast Asian Games gold medalist for karate Jamie Lim at Filipinas National Women's Football Team Captain Hailey Long. Kabilang sa mga pinaguhugutan ni EJ ay ang kanyang personal na karanasan noong nagsisimula pa lamang sa pole vaulting.
They train quite okay, but then they moved it to passing. Patay na. Like, it took me an hour and you need to find different routes and how to get there. It's not the most accessible thing. So that's really something I hope I can influence and change. I can't definitely be the only one to change this. It's impossible. I'll be dead before it's done.
Panawagan ng Paris Olympics fourth placer, bagamat nais nitong mas matulungan ng pole vaulting community, hindi niya ito kakayanin mag-isa. Kaya naman nais nitong magsilbing inspirasyon sa iba pa para tumulong at sa gobyerno para magbigay ng sapat na suporta. Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Mili Borja, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.